Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zigbee hub with Philips Hue Bridge, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing the Zigbee hub and the Philips Hue Bridge. Ensure you have all necessary components, the hub, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Plug in the Philips Hue Bridge to a power source. Connect the Philips Hue Bridge to your Wi-Fi router using the Ethernet cable. Wait for the lights on the bridge to stabilize. This indicates that it is powered on and connected to your network. Now, take your Zigbee hub and plug it into a power outlet. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to power it on. Download the Zigbee hub's official app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if prompted to do so. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Devices section in the app. Select the option to add a new device. The app will instruct you to put the Zigbee hub into pairing mode. Typically, this involves pressing a specific button on the hub. Follow the on-screen prompts to search for available devices. Once the Zigbee hub is detected, confirm the connection. Next, wait for the app to finish the setup process. After completing the setup, you will see the Zigbee hub listed in your app. Now proceed to link the Philips Hue Bridge to your Zigbee hub. In the Philips Hue app, go to the Settings menu. Select Bridge and then find the option to add a device. Ensure that the Hue Bridge is in pairing mode as well. Follow the prompts to establish the connection between the two hubs. Wait for confirmation that the devices are successfully linked. Test the setup by adding a Philips Hue light to the Zigbee hub via the app. Ensure the light responds to commands from either app. Once confirmed, you're ready to enjoy your smart home setup. Make any necessary adjustments in the app settings to optimize your devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.